guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making akara balls, and these are the few ingredients you need to make a perfect akara. So first, you need your peppers, you need your tatashe or long red peppers, you need your bell pepper, your scotch bonnet peppers, and you need your chicken seasoning, and salt. Just few ingredients: your egg, onion. Actually, I'm trying the egg part for the first time. I'm sure it's going to work out well. You need more than this. You need vegetable oil for deep frying, and the major ingredient, the real MVP, which is the bean itself. So I'll show you how to make these beans, how to prep your beans in few minutes. So, and you also need a blender or food processor to do this. So without further ado, let's get started. And don't forget to like this video, share, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. So in your blender, you want to add your beans, just the raw beans like this. So I'll just bring it down a bit. So I've transferred my beans to the blender. I'm just going to add water to it now. So add in enough water. This is the beans. I've washed it, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it with pepper and onions. I've washed them as well, so that's what I'll be doing next. And as I'm blending it, I'll be adding the seasoning at once, so it's going to just be smooth right away. This empty pot, we'll be adding our vegetable oil. Make sure you put enough oil because we're going to be deep frying this. So guys, I'm adding my vegetables, my onion and pepper to the beans. We're going to blend this in batches. Make sure you add little water before blending, okay? So I'm just going to start off. So this is our akara paste. We're going to go ahead and fry it. I added I added one egg to this, and let's fry it and see what it's going to look like. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I can't wait for the result. So I can't wait. The oil is hot enough. I don't know why this little force of smoke is coming out. So let's fry. You just take from your spoon, you scoop by the side, you give it a cut. Add this to your oil that is heating up. Can you see? Your balls are coming up. Make sure the oil is deep enough. Make sure your oil is deep enough. Precious akara balls are doing so well. What are you waiting for now? Don't you want to try this? This is beautiful. Oh my god. The purpose to make it cook well. Whilst it's cooking, you just keep turning, make sure you turn it so both sides cook evenly. Please let me know in the comment section what you'll be using to eat your akara balls. For me, this morning I ran out of pap. I'll be using oats, even though oats is not my preferable option for eating akara. I'll prefer to use pap as always. Some people use bread. So I want to know your option. What do you feel is the best choice to combine your akara balls with? Akara balls are doing well, so great. See guys, if you follow this method, there's no way you're going to miss this. There's no way. you're going to get a perfect fluffy akara balls.